You ever wondered why some brands suddenly go viral during events? This is called trendjacking. Let's understand the concept of trendjacking and how you can use it for your brand to increase brand visibility and sales. Trendjacking means positioning your brand within an already viral trend. This could be a meme or a TikTok challenge. Simply put, by incorporating your brand into something that's already going viral, you can increase your brand's visibility and sales. You've probably seen many examples like this. Some examples are like these, and these. People come on social media for trends. They look at what's trending in the market these days. For example, if there's a cricket match, a football match, or some noteworthy incident happens during those events, most people come onto social media and create memes about it. A whole trend of memes starts. Big brands also incorporate their brand into those memes so that they get free visibility. So what you have to do is go to Twitter, go to Instagram, go to Facebook, and see what's trending these days. But yes, not every trend is right for your brand. If you are a serious finance brand, then some trends are not for you either. And don't just copy a trend, add value to it. For example, a smart food brand used a trend and made it their own. The trend cycle is very short. If you are even 1 or 2 days late, you fall out of the race and then you can't catch up. That's why if you have pre-approved templates or a set workflow, and if you do trendjacking properly, it can give your brand and your sales great visibility. But not every trend is right for your business, so focus on relevant trending topics and publish the best possible content on them so that people get to know your brand. The rule is simple. I hope you understood the concept. If you have any questions related to this, write them in the comments and I will definitely answer them.